The daily Scrum meeting, also known as the daily stand-up, is a crucial component of Agile project management methodology. It's a brief, time-boxed meeting where the development team synchronizes their activities and plans for the day. Lasting around 15 minutes, team members stand up to encourage brevity and focus. Each member answers 3 questions. What did I accomplish yesterday? What will I do today? Are there any obstacles blocking my progress? Through these updates, team members gain visibility into each other's work, identify potential issues early, and coordinate efforts effectively. The Scrum Master facilitates the meeting, ensuring it stays on track and removes any impediments. The daily Scrum fosters collaboration, transparency, and accountability within the team, enabling rapid adaptation to changes and keeping the project aligned with customer needs. So before moving forward, here is just a quick info for you. Elevate your career as a sought-after Certified Scrum Master through immersive training by globally renowned CSTs. Uncover Scrum's secrets and enhance teamwork, transparency, and results with CSM certification. Get expert coaching, ace the CSM exam, and propel your career to the new heights. Unlock higher salaries and discover exciting opportunities. This course demonstrates the accomplishment of core Scrum knowledge to employers and are highly valued across industries since they have verifiable skills. CSM professionals gain access to local groups, networks, and resources available only to Scrum Alliance members. So don't forget to check out the course link from the description box and the pinned comment. So now let's get started.
Why do we need Scrum meeting? Alignment ensures everyone is on the same page regarding project goals and progress. Transparency promotes transparency by sharing individual accomplishments, plans, and obstacles. Collaboration fosters collaboration among team members by identifying dependencies and opportunities for assistance. Adaptation allows teams to adapt and adjust their plans based on daily progress and emerging challenges. Efficiency helps in identifying and addressing issues early, preventing delays and ensuring smooth project flow. Moving forward, let's dive into advantages of Scrum meeting. Improved communication enhances communication among team members by providing a dedicated forum for updates and discussions. Enhanced collaboration promotes collaboration and knowledge sharing among team members, leading to better problem solving and decision making. Increased productivity enables teams to stay focused and accountable for daily tasks, leading to improved productivity and progress. Quick issue resolution facilitates early identification and resolution of obstacles, preventing them from becoming significant impediments to progress. Iterative improvement supports iterative improvement by providing regular opportunities for reflection and adaptation. Next, let's see standard questions of Scrum meeting. Question 1. What did you do yesterday? Question 2. What will you do today? Question 3. Are there any obstacles or impediments in your way? Moving forward, let's see facilitation and execution in Scrum. Scrum Master's role facilitates the meeting, ensuring it stays focused and on track. Time boxing keeps the meeting short and concise, typically around 15 minutes or less. Adapting format allows teams to modify the format or questions to better suit their needs and context. Staying standing encourages participants to stand during the meeting to maintain focus and keep it brief. Let's conclude this video. Conclusion. Value proposition. The daily Scrum meeting is a valuable tool for Agile teams, promoting alignment, transparency, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Integration with Agile principles. It aligns closely with Agile principles of frequent communication, adaptation, and collaboration, making it an essential practice within Agile methodologies like Scrum. By incorporating these, teams can gain a comprehensive understanding of the purpose, benefits, execution, and continuous improvement aspects of the daily Scrum meeting within the Agile development framework. With this, we have come to the end of this video. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Our team of experts will reach out to you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.